Hi, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my Aggie Pixie channel, and I'll be demonstrating how I painted this painting, which I am calling Courage. It's an acrylic paint, and yeah, so it is March 2020, and amongst the craziness that the world is going through, this coronavirus pandemic, I'm in Italy. I've been quarantined for a few weeks now, and I have to admit, I've been paralyzed in fear, worry, and it's really stopped me from painting. But thankfully, me and my family are safe. I just told myself this morning that I'm going to face my fears, build up the courage, pray for strength and courage. I decided that I'm going to just paint today. And I just try to shut off the news and just get myself painting. And I have to say, painting today really helped me just get my mind off the reality of things. So here it is. If you're interested in watching me paint this whole painting from start to finish, I hope you enjoy the process, and I encourage you to paint as well. I unfortunately think that most people are going to be in quarantine, and try to look at the positive side of things. This could be a great opportunity to learn more painting, get into hobbies that you've always wanted to do, and I'm going to try my best to get back into my painting. I don't want, that was just Agatha, my daughter. Thank God she's doing fine. And I don't want this terrible situation to stop me from painting. And I think painting will be a source of, I guess you could say, art therapy. And I encourage you to do the same if you love art. I decided to paint this sort of portrait. I actually did a big art haul before all this started about a month ago, and I indulged into a lot of new colors, and I really want to try some new brands that weren't so readily available where I live. So I did splurge in some golden paints and some Winsor & Newton acrylic paints. And I got a whole bunch of colors. I got this one, this is a magenta color, and I got cobalt teal, gold green, a bunch of new colors that I just wanted to try, and I'm quite happy. And I'm actually trying out all these colors today for the first time, so I'm quite enjoying the quality of these paints. And I wanted this painting to be really colorful, and so just wanted it to be a happy painting with a bunch of butterflies and flowers and blue skies. I'll just let you watch the rest of the painting process here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. that is about it. I hope you really enjoyed this painting demonstration, and I hope all the best to everyone in the world. Please stay safe, have courage. Together, if we just stay positive, we can beat this new reality that we're facing. And I really hope by this time next year, this will just be a big nightmare, and I'll be looking back at this video and just be so thankful that we got through it together. So love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.